Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is S.P.D.F Academy YouTube channel. Alright, my name is Lady Cousin, your host on this channel. Okay, today we'll be looking at an important topic under periodic table called electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Before then, what is periodic table? Periodic table is a table that shows the arrangement of all elements in increasing atomic number. This mark that word, increasing atomic number, which is governed by what? By periodic law. All right, let's look at electronic configuration of elements. So let's use we're going to be using S.P.D.F to explain that. Look at it here. S means spin, P means principal, D diffuse, and F we are fundamental. Okay, the maximum number of F is 2, for P 6, 10, 14 in that. Okay, and the suborbital is of S is 1, 3, 5, and what? And 7. Now, according to this that you are looking at here, all right, we are going to be using that arrangement to arrange our what? Our electrons at the orbital shell. Okay, so according to their energy level, okay, using certain rules, we have up-band rules we are going to be using. We have Ohm's rule. We're going to be engaging that rules. Okay, all right. Ohm's rule state that electrons they enter the orbitals what singly before pairing up. All right. While up-band rules talk about the energy level of how electrons enters the orbital. Look at their increasing energy level. 1 S, 2S. You can check that arrow up. You see it. 2P, 3 S, 4P in that order. That's what we're going to follow to arrange our elements. So let's start with number 1. Number 1 element is what? Is hydrogen. Number 1 element is hydrogen. So we're going to have 1x1. That's the arrangement. Did you get that? Number 2 element is what? Helium. We're going to have 1x2. But then we look at like that. The maximum number of s orbital is 2. Now let's do number 3. We have hydrogen, helium, lithium. You have 1x2. We are done with that energy level. Remember the maximum is 2. So then we go to the next one. Where is this? Okay, 2s1. 2 plus 1 give us 3. Number 4, beryllium. Hope you can see. Beryllium, we have what? 1x2, 2s2. 2 plus 2 give us 4. Number 5, boron. Just follow me quickly, you understand it. 1x2, 2x2, 2p1. 2 plus 2 plus 1. Now look at the key we are following. Look at what we are following. The maximum number of S is 2. Maximum number of P is 1. It means our S orbital can have 1, which is minimum, while our P orbital can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the minimum. Okay. But the maximum is what? Is 6. It therefore makes any electron in S orbital cannot exceed 2, while any electron in P orbital cannot exceed 7. So that's the rule we are following. So let's look at element number 6, which is carbon. Carbon 6. We have 1s2, 2x2, 2p2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 giving us 6. Element number 7. That's nitrogen. 1x2, 2x2, 2p3. 2 plus 2 plus 3 giving us 7. Element number 8. That's oxygen. Oxygen is element number 8. Oxygen. 1x2, 2x2, 2p4. 2 plus 2 plus 4. Now, the interesting thing about this arrangement is that the way Dimitri Mendeleev arranged it on the periodic table group. Okay, now we said that P, we have 6 electrons in P. To 6 P orbital, they are 6 in number. That means oxygen is going to be in P4. Check the periodic table. You will see oxygen in P4. You will see nitrogen in P3. You will see carbon in P2. and you will see boron in P1. Then you will see beryllium in S1, S2, lithium S1. Okay, now let's quickly finish this to 20. Number 9, we have fluorine, that's 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2p5. Number 10, that's neon. We have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. When you look at it, neon is going to be on p6. P6. 11. That's sodium. We have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Then after this, I go to the next one. 3x1. So 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1 giving me 11. Okay. 12, which is magnesium. 12. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3x2. Magnesium is going to be in what? S2. Did you get that? Did you get the sharing of the block? So we have 4 blocks in what? On the periodic table. The block 1, we have S block, we have P block, we have D block, and we have what? F block. Okay. See you in my next video. Make sure you complete this one to 20. See you in my next video.